Hi guys, this is Axel Jensen from Model Metrics, and this is a demo on how to create projects with our Ant scripts. First thing we do is we have two projects checked out. We've got our library project and our view project, and within each project we have these care and gen directories. Each one has property files that we need to adjust appropriately for our environment, so we're going to open those up, and I have them open right over here. First we're going to start with the library, go to properties, grab our location, copy that, and replace our root URL. We then take the last part of that URL and replace the project name. And then, because this is a call report project, I name my alias CR. And then my com and my project directory associate to my view project because it creates a library namespace. This section down here is for creating custom objects. So when we want to bring down more objects than account and contact, we put each object down here. To create each new one, we just replace these values, and I'll go through that in 1 second. So I have my Ant view up right here, and here's my library build. And then for each project, I'm going to execute the main. What the main does is it sets up the default library and the default view project to actually just import account and contact apps right out of the box. So this is to go right out of the box. We get accounts, contacts, editing, adding, and searching. And I'm going to clean data to show you the login process. And whenever we add new objects, we do have to clear the data. So we'll do standard at mmtogo.com. Model 100 is the password. And you see we have account and contacts coming down. We can see it, we can view it, we can edit it, we can delete it, we can look at the related contacts for it, and we can go back. Alright, so now let's go ahead and add a custom object. Okay, I've already pre-populated this information, but we want to bring down the call report and for both the library and the view project. So let's go ahead and run that. We're going to come in here, go to our library project first, and we're going to say create sequence exclude delegate. That will actually look at these sequence properties and create all the necessary wiring to populate that. We're then going to come down here and go to our view project Ant script and execute the create sequence new view, and that will create all the wiring necessary to get that list populated. Come in here and play it. And again, I'm going to clear my data because we're bringing down that new object. And now you see we have call report coming down. It builds our list view for it, it builds our detail view, it builds our edit, our delete. Now we want to add another object. We have another object that we want to bring down called project_C. Copy that and replace this. And then my alias for it is just going to be a project. And then I'm going to go ahead and run our Ant scripts. So first, I'm going to go to our library project, create sequence exclude delegate. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say create sequence new view. And now I'm going to play the project. And you can see now we're bringing down our new custom object. This creates a list view, projects, we can add new ones. This is a placeholder to add related items. I'm going to go back, go to projects, we can hit add, create a new project, create a new call report, create a new contact, new account. And that wires everything up for us. We can delete, and now you see I only have one left, and that is the Ant script. So it's incredibly increased our productivity for the start of the project. This probably saves us a good 45 to 55 hours of work in just a few minutes. So, all right, thank you. Bye.